If YouTube says not supported on your Android TV box, here's a quick 60-second fix. First, open the YouTube app and note the exact error message and any version details shown. Go to Settings, select Apps, then choose YouTube and open App Info to check the installed version number. If the version looks corrupted or old, clear cache and force stop the app, then relaunch YouTube to test. Next, check Android TV OS, Settings, Device Preferences, About, and note the Android version shown on screen. If your OS is outdated, try a system update first. If none available, prepare to sideload a compatible YouTube APK. Enable installation from unknown sources, Settings, Security and Restrictions. Toggle on your file manager or browser app. Download a matching YouTube APK on your phone or PC from a trusted source matching your Android TV architecture. Transfer the APK via USB drive or use ADB sideload. For ADB, the command is adb install or youtube.apk. After installation, open YouTube, allow any requested permissions, and sign in if prompted to restore your profile. If playback still fails, try installing an alternate compatible build like YouTube TV or a slightly older APK version. Restart your box, test playback, and keep system and apps updated. That fixes most not supported errors.